Today's video I've come down to Águilas, which is also known as the Eagle. Anyway, I've come down here. I've come down to the main harbour, so just behind me is the castle up on the hill. I've come down to this part mainly because it's the Tour Information Office, and what I'm planning to do is do like a land train that takes you around all the sites, but before we even do that, we need to know whereabouts it is. So I thought, I know, the Tours Information Office. So that's where we're going now. That's of course if it's open. Should be. But I always found, I don't know what it is about in Spain, Mondays don't seem to be a good day for things to be open. But it is tourist season. We're sort of coming up the end of July, coming into August. So I would have thought it'd be open. So we'll see what happens in a mo. So we found the Tours Information Office. It is open on a Monday. Now what I wanted to do was to catch the land train, like a tourist train that goes around Águilas, but unfortunately, bad planning as always, it doesn't happen until 8 o'clock in the evening till 1 in the morning, which is good, but obviously it's coming up about 1 o'clock now, so we're gonna just rummage around a little bit. I think we're see if the casino's open, and I'll take you down to the park. So up there is the castle. Now that castle it's got the same name as San Juan, but the lift that you can see not working, and just below the lift there's a lovely restaurant up there. I've been up there. It's got some amazing views, but guys, it's steep. It's a long walk. But today I'm not going up there. So we're just going to have a look around this little area. It's a nice area because just down that way is where the harbour is, and you've got free car parking. But anyway, we're going to walk on around. We'll see if the casino's open. So the casino is going to show you. It's not open. I think what it is, the casino is a pub. Now we got a big church here. We might have a quick look at the church. I'll just show you it's the church. A big bell up there. It's got a time on there. Looks like the times are wrong because I'm sure it's gone 11 o'clock. So this is one of the squares. I'm just going to walk through here because right in front of us is the town hall. It's the old town hall, but they still use the town hall here. And I believe there's a big sort of like mosaic. As we're coming up now, we got the sort of the fountain. And what you find, you've got lots of different sorts of plants here with names, because it's obvious I don't know all these trees. But yeah, obviously a botanic. Is that such a word? So we've got a couple of pigeons here. I was about to say, oh, they've got an eagle, but they haven't. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is the town hall. It's a lovely old building. I'm not going to go in the town hall today, but you can see the way it's sort of presented. An lovely old building there, got the flags flying. Now, today's Monday, the 24th of July. And over the weekend was election time here in Spain, electing a new Prime Minister. But anyway, here's the main council building, which is a lovely building, isn't it? It's got a lovely design on it. We've got some of the many restaurants dotted around. I mean, for Spain it's still pretty early. And I've just gone past a couple of people that I don't even know about. I presume possible. That looks like a lady there, doesn't it? And we've got another guy over here, no doubt probably a mayor. And anybody reading this is going to say, sure, you got the wrong person there. So another view looking back through the garden there. What I will do, Just to show you one of these trees. Now these trees, probably one of the oldest trees that you would get in Spain. I'm hoping there might be a sign on it, but maybe not. Can you see that tree? That's an amazing tree, that. And if I come closer to it a little bit, so more different sorts of names of trees. Could be bushes. But look at that tree. That's an amazing tree. Now, you find a lot of these dotted around parks in Spain. And I expect, looking at that one, it's not that old, even though it looks old. So, we're just going back through the park. We've got a guy over there with some kids. And we've got some white pigeons. Don't see many white pigeons. You probably see a lot of normal pigeons, but not white ones. Okay. So that's the casino. Now, to be honest, I've got some photographs. I'll put the photographs up now. And if you want to find it, it's next to the Tourist Information Office. The only thing is, it's Monday, and Monday seems to be a day when it's not open. So, never mind. You know, look, if anyone wants to be on the camera now. So yeah, casino, not open, probably be open tonight. Then you've got the Tourist Information Office. Behind that, looks like you've got a stage up there, so there's obviously something going on there. Yeah, and we're going on down towards the harbour bit now. And if I turn to the right, you got another glimpse of the castle up on the hill. So we're coming into the carnival season, and looking at these two characters here, I would say, if you can see it through the window, looks like you've got a castle up on the top there with his headdress. Yeah, didn't see that before. Obviously something that I've missed. So we've got the lighthouse. I don't think you can visit that. And over here, Fem was telling me
Creeper.
It's called a creeper.
That's what I was told.
You know about a horror film, are you?
I was told that's a creeper. I don't know.
So anyway, we're going back to the car now, because unfortunately now we're not waiting until the evening to catch the tourist train. So we're going to go to a different location.